Hello guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add text behind someone's head, like in this photo, just to show you before and after. Okay, so we're going to get started. I'm going to delete that. The first thing you do is just hit T for text, and then you're going to type in whatever word you want to use. I'm just using Vogue for today's demo, but you can add whatever text you want. Once you feel like you've placed it where you want it, you can go down here and add a layer mask and then zoom in. And then make sure that on the left-hand panel you're at black and white, because those two colors are what you're going to be using to erase and bring back certain parts of this text layer. So now I'm going to hit B for brush. Make sure that your caps lock is off, and then to erase, you're just going to use black and you're going to paint it in. So you have to be pretty zoomed in here to see exactly what you're doing. I'm currently at 200%, and you can see there's like this weird like feathery thing that's going on. What you can do is go to your brush and add hardness like 100%, and that way now when you paint there's like a hard line. And then to bring something back, you can just hit X so that you're using the white color to bring it back. And then to erase again, you're just going to hit X to switch back to the black color. So again, to toggle between the two colors, you just hit X.